One of the simple games to play with the rhythm sticks is called follow the leader or call and response. So as an educator, you have to model the rhythm, for example, of a song that children know. And it could be anything simple as you can count to help them to get started with the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ask them to copy this rhythm as close to the original as they can. Once they learn this simple rhythm, you can start modeling something more complex, such as make sure that you allow children to make mistakes because they're just learning and it's absolutely new. But by doing this, you are developing their music intelligence, which is very, very important part of our multiple intelligences, according to Howard Gardner. One of the most complex rhythms involve some unusual patterns that children might not be familiar with. And as you develop this activity, you can come up with many, many interesting patterns. Eventually, you will ask children to do call and response by themselves. So they will become a leader and they will tap rhythm they want. I've done it with a lot of groups of 30 plus children, and you always see how creative children actually are. So try to follow my rhythm. How did you go? Post in the comments below if you want to listen more of those activities.